Howdy, partner. Howdy. Hee-haw. Okay. I know I sound crazy. I know I look crazy, but I'm feeling good today because it is the second day of fall. And today I am going to show everybody that sent in their blah. We gonna do this again. Oh, Shay Shay's looking at me. I'm okay, Shay Shay. Hey guys, and happy Sunday. On today's video, I'm going to show you all the pictures that I received for the Greasy Baby Full Protective Style Challenge. We have a total of 13 beautiful Greasy Babies that are participating in this challenge. I decided to join too. I wasn't going to join at first, and I'm thinking about still not joining, but I decided to join too. And yeah, I think it's going to be really, really fun. So it's not a challenge for me to do protective style because I don't comb my hair that much, and my hair is always in protective style mode. You guys know I drive a bus every day, and I don't wear my hair down at work. No way. But today we went down to the Q and the Loo, and as you saw, I tried to do an intro with my cowboy hat. It didn't really work, but I went down there today and had a really good time. But I did wear my hair down with my hat. So I wanted to show you guys the people who sent in their photos, and I'm going to show you my photo. So first up, we have a Greasy Baby who's rocking the Blue Magic Indian Hemp for the next few months. Her name is Naturally Blessed. She's showing us her collarbone length hair. Look like she has her hair in 2-strand twist. So I cannot wait to see her results in the next few months. Then she sent me a bonus picture. I love this hairstyle. It is so pretty and clean. I wish I could part my hair like this. So yeah, go check her out on Instagram. This next Greasy Baby is rocking the Coconut Oil Blue Magic. She's pulling her hair down. Look like it's a little bit past collarbone. And I cannot wait to see her results in the next few months. Now let me tell you something, guys. This Greasy Baby was so excited. She sent in 2 pictures of her hair. On the left, she sent in a picture of her hair while it's wet, and on the right it looked like she has a blowout. And then she's gonna rock with the Blue Magic Indian Hemp for the next few months for her Greasy Baby challenge. Cannot wait to see how her hair looks at the end of this challenge. All right, guys, so look at these Greasy Babies here. Well, they didn't come to play. They are loaded with grease. They have Blue Magic, Blue Magic, Blue Magic, the original, the castor oil, the coconut oil, and the Indian Hemp. So on the right, we have a young lady, and she's going to be using the coconut oil for the next few months. Look like she might be in the 3 category as far as hair typing. And then on the left, we have, look like maybe a 4 type texture. The Greasy Baby on the right, her hair is already waist length, so we would like to see another inch or inch and a half on that. And then she'll be probably, almost hip length? Wow, that'd be awesome. And then on the left, the other Greasy Baby, her hair is starting right at collarbone. So yeah, maybe we can get another inch and a half out of her hair growth too. I am so excited. Now we have another young woman, honey. Now let's take a look at this. Now she ain't playing, okay? None of my Greasy Babies came to play. But I see some of you girls might be really, really, really into this. And you're going to get the maximum hair growth as much as you can. Now, check this out. On the left with her picture, look like she might be in a 4 type texture too. Type rather. She looked like she made her own t-shirt with the lines on it and stuff. And she has her hair pulled all the way down to line number 5 inches. Yes, honey. I believe you can get another inch and a half out of your hair too. Because, you know, we got grease. I don't know what kind of grease that is though. Now that's pretty interesting. And yeah, I can't wait to see the results on you. Also, you can add her on Only One Me Too. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. If not, correct me. But yeah, this Greasy Baby, I can't wait to see what your results are going to be. Now we got another Greasy Baby right here. She's rocking the Blue Magic Super Sure Grow. And look like she might have her hair in some mini twists. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, she has beautiful hair too. All my girls, all my Greasy Babies, they all got beautiful hair. And it looks like she might be right at collarbone, a little bit past collarbone. And I cannot wait to see what her results are going to be in the next few months. The next Greasy Baby is one of my cyber sisters. Her name is Beautiful Leah. She has an Instagram too. And Beautiful Naturally Leah. I'm sorry. She's rocking the Blue Magic Organics Indian Hemp. And yeah, she's a true Greasy Baby too. Her hair is long and it's probably bra length, maybe? Correct me if I'm wrong, but her hair is long. So yeah, she's joined this challenge and I cannot wait to see her results. The next Greasy Baby is rocking the Blue Magic Original Super Sure Grow. And her hair is right at collarbone length. She has beautiful hair and I cannot wait to see the results. We can probably squeeze another inch and a half of hair at the end of her challenge as well. Next Greasy Baby, her name is Anana. And she's rocking the Blue Magic Original Castor Oil. And she has two-strand twists in her hair. So she has a nice length of hair as well. And it looks really soft. So I cannot wait to see her results in the end of this challenge too. Alright, we got NC Natural. And she's rocking the Softy Herbal Grow. I've never had that before. I would love to see what that feels like and smell like. So she has her hair pulled down. And it looked like her hair might be right at armpit length. So I'm pretty excited to see the progress of her hair at the end of this challenge too. We're going to squeeze about an inch or inch and a half. She could be full armpit length by the end of this challenge. So we'll see. Then last but not least, the original one and only Crazy Greasy Baby. I decided I was going to do the challenge for the front of my hair. Normally when I do length checks, I'm always doing the back of my hair, pulling it down. But I've never really shown you guys the front of my hair. The crown of my hair, from my understanding from you ladies on YouTube, you always say that I have somewhere in the 3-type texture range. And my 3-type hair, it grows so fast, so loose, and so long. And I think it will surpass the rest of my hair if I let it. I mean, it grows. So the front of my hair grows a little bit faster than a half inch each month. So I cannot wait to see what my results are going to be at the end of this challenge. Now you guys already know what kind of grease I rock. I rock the Blue Magic Castor Oil, Super Sure Grow, Indian Hemp, and there's another one I can't think of. And then I do the Softy Shea Butter, some. I don't know. Y'all always see my grease. Those are all the people who are participating in the challenge. For those who missed the challenge, it's okay. You didn't have to send your picture in to me to join the challenge. You can do it at home. All right, guys, that is it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah. Don't that sound nasty? Sound like a wet, licky cat. I hate when people make those sounds. I hate when you chew your gum like that. Oh. Alright, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for real now.